Hey everyone, once again video from 𝘽𝙪𝙗𝙤. Today we're going to talk about the emailing system. So those that are from the beginning on 𝘽𝙪𝙗𝙤 since I don't know what was May, know that in the beginning the email system was working fine. So once you sign up, you get email verification email, your email address verification. Then you get your welcoming email, and then later you can request, like if you forgot your password, then you can request a new password. Then also some other stuff like confirming changes of your email, yeah, those kind of emails. And also when you open a ticket and you get responses, everything was working fine. But yeah, then suddenly something happened and I had to disable the whole system. But I'll explain that later what happened. But for now, let me just demonstrate how it works now. Now it works to some extent. You'll see there are a few things I also have to fix. By the way, I'm really proud of making this happen. This is like... okay, so 𝘽𝙪𝙗𝙤 again. Let's say that you forgot your password and you go to log in, and then you click on forget your password. So that's the first thing. When you sign up to those new users, you don't receive the activation email to verify your email address. Keep that in mind for now. So when you sign up, you can just go directly to your, but make sure to sign up with the correct email address, because you cannot change it later. For now, like you'll see later maybe. Okay, and then you request a new password. Then you type in your username and email address, so you have to remember those two. And then once you will receive, I took a screenshot, so you get your username and email, you type in, then you click send, and then you'll receive an email from 𝘽𝙪𝙗𝙤, no reply 𝘽𝙪𝙗𝙤, and then your name, your new password is. Then you can simply just go to your account once you logged in, and then personal settings, and then you can type in new password, and then the one you got, you can change it, so not even I can know your password. Yeah, speaking of, if you maybe wonder if your admin on any website, like this, like some probably rule for most cases, if you think your passwords are not safe, like I as an admin can access them, and somehow I can think of, okay, maybe you're using the same password on this website. That's actually, I cannot do that, because the website, your passwords are saved in a database, of course, and then but they're encrypted, so no one can, neither me, so only computers know your passwords. Keep that in mind. So yeah, that's I just before creating these 𝘽𝙪𝙗𝙤𝙤, before enabling, I didn't know about that. I was also thinking, okay, maybe they know my password, but in this case, no. If it's PHP and with database, it's encrypted, so now I cannot even see the password. In this case as well, I cannot see this. This is randomly generated and it's sent directly to you once, and that's it. Okay, I hope that's this is basic, but it was really difficult. I'll explain later why it was such a problem. Okay, and then okay, that's the password reset. Then another important is when you want to contact, you have some issue. Now you can just go click create new ticket, then type something in. This is a testing ticket. Hello, what's up, blah blah blah. Then you verify. Now then Okay. So yeah, then you'll just click send and you will receive an email. Okay, you will first receive a support request email for your ticket. I don't know why I highlighted this ticket number. So it's best if you're logged in to request your password. If you're logged in, it's best to then contact, open a ticket, yes, and then you will see here, blah blah, this is your ticket, and then you will receive that email. Of course, here is the beautifully designed email, and that means you open the new ticket, and then that ticket is now waiting to be replied by me. And then when I reply, you will receive another email that said that I replied to your awesome ticket, probably complaining about something. Just kidding. Okay, so that's it for now. What else would if you want to verify your new email address, that should also be set as the but yeah, that's the next thing I'll do. So I'm now demonstrated that it works now. That's great. Okay, so why did this happen? That's the big issue. So okay, those that now this is more technical part, so not everyone needs to watch this for now. So like, click, subscribe, share, whatever. We still need 1,000 subscribers, so if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe. Yeah. Okay, so we have 5,000 members, but in the beginning it was we were getting only like 10 members per day, which also meant like not many members active and not many members in general, in total. So one day you know the banners, this banner was terrible. Like this banner, now it's okay, now it's actually really nice, but I had like really terrible, sorry for the glasses, I wear glasses when I'm sometimes. So for the banner, I had like a terrible banner, and it was always standing on my head, if that's the expression. I was always in the back of my mind, oh, you need to design better banner, and yeah, people need to promote the website. So yeah, it was terrible. So 10 new members per day. And then I decided to get more into designing, but so yeah, the thing is, I didn't know how to approach this, because if I spent too much time in GIMP, as like each frame, I had to design like each frame. Yeah, never mind. This is a topic for one of the next videos. So yeah, and then I found Canva, probably know about it, and then I used and make the this banner. And then something happened. People started signing up like crazy. And at one was, I cannot remember exactly, but it was a lot of members, like 500 members in one day. It's like from Indonesia. It was crazy. And then I woke up, like I don't know if it was the next day or day after. I woke up and I received an email that my account has been suspended, and I was shocked. And when I say account, I mean the whole website. I wasn't able to sign up into how they say a web server's website, cPanel and so on. So I was completely blocked. The whole website was blocked. So and then people also received people also saw like the screen, access denied, contact your web server, admin stuff, and people send me an email actually to verify they didn't do anything wrong. Why am I didn't do anything wrong, why am I suspended? Yeah, it was actually the whole website was suspended. Okay, and then I contacted my web server admin. So I am web hosting admins, and he told me that it was because of the spam. And I was like, what spam? I didn't send mass emails or something. I didn't spam. You know what spam is, like promoting something, some links or anything. This wasn't spam. It was nothing. And okay, it wasn't spam, it was mass emailing, which is too many emails in short period of time. And then I discovered that the web server should the web server that I'm using is not allowed to send many emails because then it will be labeled as spamming server. Okay, we'll just leave it on that. So the server, to protect itself, protects its reputation, needs to just stops sending emails and then just blocks you out. So for the servers try to protect themselves, and they suspended my accounts, everything. And then he said, like, can you disable the emailing system? Yeah, sure, of course. And then I disabled almost everything. But at one point I wanted to leave the contact us system, so that I can reply easily to members that open their ticket. I think that's the basic. Also the password may be that, but yeah. So yeah, and I disable most of the stuff, and then I only I looked in the source code and I comment out the sent emails. But I didn't realize a few weeks later, so it passed. The account was restored and everything, unblocked, unsuspended. And few weeks later, I thought I disabled everything besides contact, tickets system, and maybe password recovery. I don't remember. And again, everything was fine until one day again my account was suspended. Then I contacted the web hosting admin, and he said, no, you're still sending too many emails. And then I saw the welcoming email was spamming like crazy. Each member knew. And the thing is, so two things in total each day. So if you send too many emails the whole day, or if you request too many emails per 1 hour or 1 minute, whatever. And I even spent some time creating like a queue, emailing queue, the emailings, and created like a task cron jobs to send like each 5 minutes one email. It was great. I thought it was working, but no. And then account got suspended again because of the welcoming email. Okay. Then I said to the admin that I'm turning off everything. I cannot use this, because 1 or 2 more times, or 2 times, I think, if we got suspended, then everything is gone. So yeah, I had to disable everything, but I still got to keep my manually inbox, and I could send manually responses to tickets. The thing is, that's kind of annoying, because I have to log into 𝘽𝙪𝙗𝙤's admin account, receive ticket, read the ticket, then I have to respond it, and then I have to notify the ticket opener, and then I have to notify them, and then it was too much of a hassle, and I'm lazy. And too many logins, and then but then the admin told me that I need to find another. It's now you can think of it as emailing web servers that are specially designed for those mass emailing system. So yeah, he told me you have to find it. Yeah, it's another step, another like searching for another services and stuff again. Too much work. Anyhow, then I found one mailing center, whatever, and then I signed up, and then I figured that there are also two kinds of mass emailing type of mails. One is like newsletter, where you have to subscribe, tick the subscribe button, and also you need to have like the unsubscribe me ticket, unsubscribe me button at the bottom of the email, and the story is too long. Yeah, and that's one type, and the second type is request emails. No, transactional emails. So yeah, to sum up, so I got banned from my so this is web hosting that we are looking at. You're looking at the website that's on typical web hosting. Yeah, email, the address is like domain name server. It's like the human readable IP address, you can say that. So I buy from one provider like web hosting and the domain name. In this case, I was not able to send from that email address from that web server, so I had to use, but I'm still using the email address, the domain name server, but I had to redirect and use it on this emailing web server. Yeah, it's hopefully it's not too confusing. So now it's enabled. Now I think it will work fine, and I'm using better method API. I'm using API instead of SMTP, so it's even an upgrade. And yeah, that's it. I think I fixed that. Hopefully I'll probably add even the verification email, but let's see for now if everything is. Yeah, initially I actually thought I need to buy another email address from those providers, email web servers, whatever. And then I realized no, I can still use the admin 𝘽𝙪𝙗𝙤, and then from this website, yeah, fine. Then yeah, I can have the free version of those accounts, those web services. That's fine. I think, yeah, that's complete. Okay, in the next few videos, I have some changes I want to make. We have some issues we need to address. So stay tuned. We still need subscribers. Yeah, I need to start begging for subscribers. Anyhow, so thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Next few videos are really, really important actually. Ugh. Bye.